Hi everyone, I'm the recorder for our project. I hope you're doing well and I'm doing the clips in all these videos that you're watching.
Hello, my name is Alvin. I'm the project manager. I hope you guys are doing
Hey, I'm Clarence. I'm the researcher of this project. I gather every information and every data for this project.
So what exactly are wind farms? Wind farms are big areas where we use wind turbines to make electricity. This is a renewable energy, which means we don't use resources like coal or oil. Instead, we use wind, which is always there. Benefits of wind farms. Wind farms are really good for the planet. They help reduce pollution and fight climate change. By using wind energy, we release less carbon dioxide into the air. Carbon dioxide from things like cars and factories can cause the earth to get warmer. So by using wind energy, we're helping to keep the planet cooler. As we see in this graph, this bar shows CO2 emissions by energy sources where wind energy has the lowest emissions. Even though wind farms are good for the environment, they have some problems. For example, wind turbines can harm birds and bats, like we see in this graph, which create noise, which can be annoying for people like we see in this graph. And this one other represents the noise levels comparison between the conversation and a wind farm turbine sounds like. Also, the turbines can interfere with radar systems used by aviation and the military. But there are solutions. We can change the colors of the fans to black like we see in this picture, and that can reduce the risk of small birds dying. We can also use new technology to make turbines quieter and better sensors for the safety of the birds like we see here. And scientists are also working on selecting locations with low life density systems to protect both animals and people. Here's a graph that shows the growth in wind energy production. Line graph shows the increase in wind energy production over the last decade. We also have wind buildings, which are structures designed to harness wind energy, often through integrated wind turbines. These buildings feature aerodynamic designs to optimize airflow and generate renewable power, reducing energy consumption and carbon footprints. We contribute to sustainable urban development by using wind as a clean energy source. Here's how it works scientifically. Turbines blades are designed to be large to capture more wind, but this can cause some problems. Scientists are designing quieter blades and using smart sensors to stop turbines when animals are nearby. There are also peaking spots that have less impact on wildlife and radar. We also can improve designs to reduce noise and use more eco-friendly technology. This will help make wind energy safer and better for anyone. Here's a model of the wind farm we make for this project. Hope you like it, guys. As we can see, this one is our virtual wind farm model that also shows the importance of wind farms in the environment, even for those type of games. Okay, no, but this is a great deal because as we see through iWalk, we've seen different types of wind farms with different types of colors and shapes. Some of them have different color with the purpose of making it better to see for the small birds dying incident, so that prevent to happen. And as we approach to the end of the video, thanks for paying attention. And now the physical one coming right now. As we can see, this one was our physical and most special model that we originally built with the help of my friend Alejandro Diaz for this project. We see that he added a little house on it using wind energy to generate electricity, power, and turn on. And he painted black one fan for the safety of the birds. And now for the second one that he built, Alan, our project manager. We see wind farms even on the oceans where the environment is key because of the high winds of the ocean, benefiting the environment of the animals and us as a human beings. Now the bloopers, where we make our mistakes. This is the first photo that we got it when we just began to start our project and our journey. Me, Alejandro, and Alan, we were thinking about very deeply about what we're doing next and how it's gonna start. We didn't know exactly what to do, so our friend Sasha, our researcher, helped us by asking the teacher what will be the best for start doing it, and our first models will come up soon. Now that Alejandro got the idea, he started by building it, and Alan were still thinking very deeply. I tried to help by putting some papers on the work, and it will help a little. Then Alejandro, thankful about the action that I made him, he started gluing the box, and we were doing faster than accepted for the time that we were doing the stuff, but something unexpectedly happened.
Happy Easter, Grandpa!
Okay, I was joking, but they rob us our stuff, and we have to do it again.
Thank you.
So after breathing and stay peacefully, they got to start it again, and we did the same thing, but with the help of my friend Alan and Alejandro now. As we see Alejandro here, he is almost finished, and he put a lot of effort on it. She is very focusing, and we got here Alan too, very focusing on the work, finish it, our models. And here is a clip of someone trying to help us recording, but he failed to do so, so here's the clip.
I am Ragnar. I'm the recorder for our project. Thank you so much for this video, for sharing us with our journey between the project. And I know I did a lot of mistakes, but I hope you enjoy, guys, and thanks for watching.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and I know I make some mistakes, but that's what it is, bro. And I hope you like it. Yeah, that's all. Have a good day, man.
Mami, gente, me encanta esta vaina.
Pablo.